guys? Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2024 Toyota Sequoia. This is the TRD-Pro in this awesome burnt orange color. And much like any vehicle that's purchased by a friend of the shop, it doesn't stay stock for very long. This customer came in with a specific request to make this thing look less like a soccer mom car, and we tried to deliver the best we could. We started off with the Westcott Designs lift. This is a 2-inch lift up front and a 1-inch in the rear. And then the wheels that we added are the 18x9 method race wheels. These are the 305s. Definitely a classic look. It's got a +18 offset to keep them slightly tucked and make a little bit of room for a bigger tire underneath this. And then the tires are one of my personal favorites. They are the Thompson Baja Boss ATs. They're great in snow. We went with the 305/70 R18. For those that are interested in how the math checks out, these are a 34.8. They're a 12 wide. This is a great option for those of you that want a 35 but can't quite get the 1250s underneath there. Just go with a metric size. Now this vehicle is a hybrid. It is pretty quick from factory with how it links together the 3.5 liter V6, twin turbocharged. We had AFE give us a little help to get this thing to go a little faster. We went with the Momentum GT Red Edition cold air intake. This is the dry filter. And then we went with the Sprint Booster V3 power converter. We were only able to use it on a low setting during our test drive because as soon as we turn it up to the high setting, it tried to break the tires loose at every stop sign. So definitely would recommend adding a little bit more power to these TRD Pros using the AFE parts. All right, guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video, and feel free to ask any questions below in the comment section as far as fitments or anything on our notes that helps everything come together. Thanks.